Before you spend your money on yet another revolutionary heating gadget, you need to hear this because the Heatoor heater is everywhere right now, with ads claiming it can heat any room in minutes, cut your heating bills by up to 75%, and even replace central heating without installation. And honestly, those claims alone should make anyone pause. I kept seeing the same dramatic marketing over and over again, complete with a vague backstory, massive discounts, countdown timers, and limited stock warnings designed to rush you into buying. So I decided to look deeper and separate hype from reality. First, a quick disclaimer. This video is purely for educational and awareness purposes. I am not promoting or selling this product. The goal here is to help you make an informed decision and avoid misleading marketing. When you strip away the advertising language, what you are left with is a very basic product. Heatoor is simply a small PDC ceramic plug-in heater, the exact same type that appears every winter under dozens of different brand names. There is nothing innovative or exclusive about it. A heater this size does not have the capacity to warm large rooms, replace central heating systems, or magically reduce electricity costs in the way the ads suggest. Physics does not work like that. At best, devices like this provide localized warmth in a very small area, such as near a desk, chair, or bedside, and that is a key distinction the marketing conveniently ignores. There are also several red flags worth paying attention to, including fake urgency tactics, exaggerated energy-saving promises, media logos that are not verifiable, glowing 5-star reviews that only exist on the seller's website, and a complete lack of transparent manufacturer information or independent testing. On top of that, the exact same heater design can be found on wholesale marketplaces like Alibaba, Temu, and AliExpress for a fraction of the price. So is Heatoor an outright scam, or does it work at all? The reality sits somewhere in between. It functions like a small personal heater, but it is not the game-changing solution the ads want you to believe. And understanding that difference can save you money, frustration, and unrealistic expectations.